Hello children, today we are going to learn about kinds of pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Examples are he, she, it, they. Kinds of pronouns. There are 10 types of pronouns. They are personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, possessive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, and reciprocal pronouns. What do you mean by personal pronouns? It is related with first person, second person, and third person. So, person who is speaking is called first person. Examples are I, my, we, our. Examples are I am going to Bangalore. We are reaching there in a minute. To person to whom something spoken is called second person. Examples are you and yours. Here are some examples for you. Mother is calling you. I know that you are studying hard. The person about whom something is spoken is called third person. Examples are he, she, it, his, her, they, their, them. He will come back to take the book. Ramesh asked them to go away. These are examples of personal pronouns. Let us study what is reflexive pronoun. Pronoun which are used to denote the action of the subject turning back or reflecting upon the subject itself. They are used as object but indicate the subject. They are used as the object of a verb. Examples are Maria hurt herself. Herself. We taught ourselves. Ourselves. So these are examples of reflexive pronouns. Emphatic pronouns. Pronouns which are used for the sake of emphasis are called emphatic pronouns. They are always used with a noun or with another pronoun acting as a subject or object. The principle himself will speak to them. Himself. I myself saw him do it. Myself. In these cases, given emphasis with that noun or pronoun. Here the principle noun and I pronoun. Possessive pronouns. While hearing you know that possessive means possession. Pronouns which are used to show possession. Examples are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. This box is mine. Those houses are theirs. That dog of yours is wonderful. So these are known as possessive pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Pronouns that do not refer to any particular person or things. They are one, everyone, some, somebody, few, many, none. It is not mentioning to a particular, but generally somebody has come to see you. Everyone knew the truth. Many of them were hurt. Distributive pronouns. Pronouns used to denote every one of a number of persons or things taken singly are called distributive pronouns. These pronouns are always singular and are used with the singular verbs only. So they are each, either, neither. Each of us has some money. Either of you can go there. So these are examples of distributive pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Pronouns that are used to ask questions. They are who, whom, whose, which, what. Who is used with the persons. What is used with the things. Which can be used with things, persons and animals. The interrogative pronoun act as nominative forms and it also can be act as possessive form. It can be act as objective case. Whom is used in formal and literary style. Who is used in ordinary style. So you remember that interrogative pronouns means question words. Thank you.